Hi, today I have an interesting shutter lock. It's a CISA logo line 61063. It's without the shackle. This is my follower. It's not usable, but yeah, for the picking purposes it's perfect. And here's the key. It's a 5-pin key. First pin is a short one, others are okay, nothing special about the beading, and it's working very nice. Here is that pop popping sound for the shackle. And here how I use my follower to simulate the shackle closing. So let's pick it. It's because the CISA is usually always spools and security pins, and sometimes I think serrated or barrel-like pins. Yeah, so let's start it. 3 click, 1 into nothing, 4 nothing, 5 click. So let's go from 1, now 1 small click, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, small click from 5 like serrated. So let's nothing from 1, nothing from 2, 3 small turn on the core, 4 nothing, 5 nothing. Now 1 is binding, and yeah, we are open. Interesting lock. As I said, I feel like a couple of spools, or all of them are spoons, and the last one I think is serrated or barrel-like pin. Yeah, so that was the CISA logo line 61063 picked. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.